Have you ever thought about making money with your cooking skills? Well, the world of catering might be the perfect avenue for you. Catering is a fantastic way to combine your culinary passion with the thrill of entrepreneurship. It's not just about creating delicious cuisine, but also about meticulous organization and strategic planning. Imagine transforming the flavors that dance on your palate into a profitable venture. Picture yourself crafting a menu that leaves your clients craving for more, while also managing the logistics that ensure a seamless dining experience. Remember, it's not just about the food, it's about creating memorable experiences. It's about the precision in setting up a buffet, the artistry in plating, and the efficiency in serving a crowd. It's about the thrill of meeting new clients and the satisfaction of seeing your creations being enjoyed. Turning your culinary passion into a catering business could be your recipe for success. Ready to whip up a catering business? Here's how. Start off by drafting a comprehensive business plan. This is your recipe for success, outlining your strategic, financial, and marketing goals. It's like a roadmap, guiding you through the initial stages of your venture. Next, you'll need to secure necessary permits and licenses. Remember, the food industry is highly regulated, so it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the rules in your area. Now, let's talk about market research. Understanding your competition and potential clientele is key. Who are they? What do they like? This knowledge will help you create a menu that stands out. And speaking of standing out, defining your niche is essential. Are you going to specialize in vegan cuisine or perhaps gourmet desserts? Your unique selling proposition hinges on this. So there you have it, the preliminary steps to setting up your catering business. With careful planning and preparation, your catering business can soon be serving success. Now that you've set the table, it's time to serve up success. Running a successful catering business goes beyond having a knack for culinary arts. It requires a blend of operational expertise and customer-centric strategies. Firstly, menu planning is critical. Your offerings should reflect your brand, but also cater to a variety of dietary preferences and occasions. Next, pricing. It's a delicate balance between covering costs, making a profit, and offering value to your customers. Marketing your business is equally vital. Utilize social media, local press, and word-of-mouth referrals to reach potential clients. Customer service is the icing on the cake. Prompt responses, flexibility, and a friendly demeanor can turn a one-time client into a repeat customer. Quality control, too, is paramount. Consistency in taste, presentation, and service will keep customers coming back. Remember, professionalism and customer satisfaction are the key ingredients to your catering business's success. Running a successful catering business means satisfying customers' taste buds while also feeding your entrepreneurial spirit.